Here we're going to take a look at this really cool cordless desk lamp. It's got a USB-C port in the back, rubber on the bottom with some texturing. Made of metal, so nice and heavy duty. I think this part is plastic. It's got a little on-off switch right here. You can change the color temperatures as well as dim it or make it brighter. So really nice. I like that it has the different temperatures of color, like a nice yellow hue there, and then the dim setting. You just hold down and then tap and hold down again to lighten it back up if you want. Love that it's cordless so that you don't need to have it plugged in. Absolutely gorgeous. I believe this is the walnut color or dark walnut color. You can get it in different colors. Was sent to me for review, but absolutely love the form factor here. Super useful light for a nightstand, a desk, you name it.